fresh off the plane from Colorado, the newest Gaelic, pronounced Gaelic, adventurer to touch down on the mighty Isle of North Uist. First stop, essentials, biscuits, bobble hats, and possibly a life-size waterproof suit. Just in case the Hebridean drizzle goes horizontal, fuel up at the Namara Café in Kallin Harbour, Grimsay, where the scallops are local and the chat is world-class. Within 10 minutes, he knew who's related to who lost a welly in 1987, and where to get the best scones. Warm clothing section, a cultural rite of passage, bonus points for choosing wool over waterproofs. Then it was reunion time. Our seasoned Immersion crew filled him in on all the grammar and the great sheep rescue of 2025. We took him wave watching, Hebridean style, feet on rock, soul in wind and hair, somewhere else entirely. Stopped by the bird hide to check who's flapping about today. Golden plover, redshank, and someone swore they saw a puffin in disguise. Finally, a warm Gaelic welcome at Cnoc nan Uan, where tea is hot and garlic is hotter. But no rest for the Gaelic guides. We're back home prepping for another week of immersive madness. New verbs, new adventures, possibly more sheep.